making steamed provisions with fried saltfish.
So this is eddoes, sweet potato, dashin, and cassava.
2 pounds of dashin, 2 pounds of eddoes, 2 pounds of sweet potatoes, and a pound of cassava. So everything's washed and drained. We're gonna season it up. Thyme, we have bandhania,
You have garlic,
we have garlic,
onion,
an onion, half an onion,
and hot pepper.
and a hot pepper. This is scotch bonnet.
Pepper, yeah.
So we blended up all the spices and now we're gonna add it to this?
Yes.
2 teaspoons of salt and 2 teaspoons of black pepper. So we're gonna put this in the pressure cooker. It's flying at me. Spices. So we have half a coconut. So we blended half of a coconut into 4 cups of water and then we strained it out.
So now we're going to add it to the pot.
So this is kind of coconut milk, I guess?
Yes. We're going to add it to the pot. You want to cover the provision now, right?
Okay, so we're gonna add it to the pressure cooker until it is covered. Okay, so we're gonna use about 1/4 of this golden rye butter, and we have it right here. We're just gonna add it straight into the pot. Ooh, that splashed me. Cook it for 15 minutes on high. Okay, so we pressure cooked it for 15 minutes, and it looks like this. So this is 1.5 pounds of saltfish, and we soaked it for 30 minutes, and now we are going to boil it for 15 minutes. Okay, so we have like about 4 teaspoons of oil. We boiled the saltfish for 15 minutes and we strained it. So now we're gonna like fry it. Oh my gosh.
Yes.
So we fried it for like 15-20 minutes until it was golden brown, and now we're gonna add 1/2 an onion, 4 cloves of garlic, grated, scotch bonnet pepper. We're gonna cook it until the onions are tender and it looks kind of something like this. Very crispy, it's very strong smelling, the pepper is just very strong, so I'm excited to taste this. It's hot and it's very spicy. The cassava is nice and soft.